In this video, I'm going to show you how to add names in certificate. So it's quite simple. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's go to the design, and in templates, let's type in certificate. So this is the pro version. Make sure you're choosing what they look like. Okay, this is good. So this is certificate. There's all the names. So in order to add names, all you have to do is simply tap in there, and let's change the name to your name. So yeah, this is simple. This is how you add names in certificate. So there's also an option of bulk those like bulk naming in the certificate, but in order to have that, you need to have the pro version. This is how you add names in certificate. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.